Nothing like waking up and goats are not where they're supposed to be. Got work to do. Well, we're getting ready to experience something to be interesting. We're getting ready to work the goats. I've worked cattle about all my life and kind of know how that goes. Working the goats is going to be a little bit different, so we're going to see how this goes. I got the kids and the wife out there, and it can get kind of rank out there with the cattle, so there's no telling what it's going to be like with the goats. So we'll see how it goes. Write down the number that we start with, okay?
Okay, so 33?
Yeah, so 33, and then we tell. We'll get a tag and make sure we get a one.
So I just put like equal, do I just put a check mark with it now?
Like a dash, and then tag and worm. Okay, you gotta make sure I put like tag and worm. Okay.
Should I just make like a little box up here, say tag and worm, and then put a check mark in it?
Yeah, we'll do Margaret's gonna be 33. Here you go, Titus. Come here, come grab him. Grab his hand. Okay. Now worm, I need 2 cc's out, 2 millimeters out of this right here. Okay. So that second mark right there. Okay. I need this stuff out of here. Okay. Well, that coming, it ain't deep enough. I'm gonna do that. Go Philip, go give me a bowl. Yeah.
Hurry.
Or a jar.
Yeah, I cut the top of that.
Yeah, cut the top of it. Never mind.
Getting my work over here.
Yeah. We just keep holding off, Dan. Back, Dolly.
Where is 34? Okay, well, 34 has to be here still. Not the time.
All right, Tatum, come over here and put it in its mouth. Just shove it down its mouth. Okay. All right. 33's done. Need 34.
Yeah, I found him for here.
34. Which one? This one's Herbert, and that one's Tiger. All right, Martha's going to be the next one. We'll do the easy one.
Martha. Here, set that on top of that. It looks like water. Okay, you got the tag.
Tag.
2 cc ain't very much, dude.
No, it ain't very much at all.
Sure?
Yeah. That's supposed to do like 250 head.
Yeah.
Okay. Gotta shove it in its mouth. All right, now squirt it. Got it? Okay.
I got really fast. Okay, 35 is right here. Nothing. Here's 35.
Yeah, you got 35?
Yeah.
All right, get it.
How do I do it?
Put it on there like that.
There's 3 words.
No, it ain't screaming.
No, that one is.
Oh.
Is that how you do it?
Yep. Kind of twist it down a little bit. It's kind of,
Huh?
see, it's kind of angled up. Make sure. Like that. Okay.
What number is this?
35.
Hey. It's okay. We need to find some.
I know. Gotta get all the inside his mouth before you squirt. Okay, now go. Okay.
Kind of bit my finger. I'm trying to find the other trees. No, I hate you now, Dad.
Oh, yeah.
That's not Screamer. The Screamer
Oh,
sound.
get out of here.
Okay, you hear the Screamer. Look, let me turn number 36. 36?
Here.
Okay, there you go. Look at that one. Oh, wait. We need 35.
Fine.
Wait, we have to 35, right?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I can't listen to those.
37.
36, yeah, you need 36.
Okay.
We just got 36 done. Oh, whoa. Is that a Screamer?
Nope.
No, what? Get ready for Screamer. Hear it. Ah, watch out.
Margaret.
Margaret, stay away from her. Here, here. Is that a Screamer?
That's a Screamer.
Oh no. Oh no. Play your ears. Oh, that's gonna be bad. No, 39. I have 39 here.
You want to throw some of that down, you can. That was worth it, yeah. Okay, this is number 89.
89?
Yeah. We just need a wormer.
Oh no, this would be Screamer too. No, this would be bad. Oh, you already did it.
Okay, 89's done.
What are you doing? It has oil on it because they got in that tub. Yeah, it felt kind of greasy. That's 39? Okay, now we need 40. 40, and then... You just...
Come here, bring me the warmer. This is 65.
All right, let's go. All right, let's go. All right.
What were they doing on
All right.
Is this growl? Is this 40?
That was 40, yeah.
Is that all? 4?
Bring me around here. Bring me around this one.
We need 4, Dad?
Yeah, I need 4 on this one.
Where's the little one?
Bring him around here.
Where's the little one?
The little one.
The Billy
Hey, Dad.
Goat!
You got 4 of them?
What number is on Billy Goat? Let's put Billy.
Yeah.
Big Bill.
Give him some more. Give him 2 more.
Ollie!
Someone.
Ew, you're gonna smell bad. I better go change after this and take a shower.
You didn't know.
Okay.
You got all of them? Smell your hands, Dad.
Woo! Thank.
Oh, don't touch me.
All right.
Do you want can you get the tractor?
go play basketball.
Thanks for the help. Y'all did good.
Are these fine in here?
So the ladies got some new accessories and got them wormed and turned out pretty good. It's kind of nice seeing all the cousins and the family working together and getting the job done. That's what it takes to be out here on the farm. All the help you can get is nice. So first time of working the goats all together, I think it was a pretty good success. So we'll see how the next one goes. So you guys saw earlier that I had all the goats that were out over here in the backyard by the swimming pool. And they're not supposed to be in there. So I have this electric fence up here, and you can kind of see right through here is their trail going in and out. And it seems like the electric fence just is not doing its job, not working out for them. So I'm going to put up some fill fence, see if that helps out. It should. Seems like it's been holding them in other places. So just seems like that electric fence just is not doing its job. So we'll go to getting it down. Oh, it's off. What would be real mean is if one of the kids snuck back there and turned it back on while I wasn't looking. We'll get this money maker out of the way right here. So it should be good now. Well, I finally got done putting the fence up, and I'm tired. It was a lot of up and down, a lot of groundwork. This filth fence, I haven't had a whole lot of experience with it, but it is not easy to work with, especially whenever you're attaching it to pipe. Very slow going, and it might just be me. There's probably some guys out there that's got some pretty good tricks of the trade, but I don't have them. I just do it the long, hard way, and it's kind of tough. So anyways, I'm glad to be done with that. So the goats will never, ever, 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 ever get out of the cage or pen ever again. No, they're like some dadgum dinosaurs off Jurassic Park. I mean, they're gonna get out, but that's the way it goes. So it has been a windy day. We've got a front coming in. It looks like we got some more snow. So looking about 1 to 3 inches, something like that. So kind of getting ready for that. It's a good day. We got cows worked, got the goats worked, and it's pretty successful. So I was happy with what we got done. You always think you'll get more done, or something else comes up and you have a change of plans, but I didn't get everything done, so there's always something to do tomorrow. So that's good. But hopefully you guys have a good week, and just get ready for this weather to come in, because it looks like it's gonna get nasty. So we'll catch you next time. Y'all have a good day.